Why do people fear innovation?
In this video you get a straight answer, and watch till the end because I'm going to give you a technique which will dramatically decrease the risk in innovation. I will give you the example how Tesla increased the confidence of their investors with this technique. Let's start straight away. Innovation is doing new things or things in a new way. Innovation brings risk. The risk of failure. The risk of losing your reputation. The risk of losing your self-confidence. The risk of not getting a financial bonus at the end of the year. And you even might lose your job. The reason why people fear innovation is the fear of failure. It's quite intriguing that these moments of so-called failure are your greatest moments of learning. Have a look here at this acronym, which I really love. The word fail stands for your first attempt in learning. Now, how do you know that when you do something for the first time that it will be a success? Well, you don't. Nobody can predict if it will be a success or not. The only way to find out is to experiment. And I like to share with you a technique which is wonderful for this. It's called prototyping. It's a brainchild of Alberto Savoia, who worked at Sun Microsystems and at Google's. And the essence of prototyping is fake it before you make it. And when you know it's good, then you start investing money for development. Let's give you an example of the first Tesla Roadster. In 2003, the founders of Tesla had the ambitious idea of creating the first electrical sports car in the world. But Tesla was completely unknown as car brand. To convince their potential buyers that this was a great car, Tesla made a prototype. They got the glider of a Lotus Elise. That's a car without a powertrain. They put in fake batteries and fake AC motors, and they invited potential customers. Come and see our new car. And they did something smart. They asked, if you want to buy this car and you want to be our first customers, you pay now $5,000. And several hundreds of people paid $5,000 to buy this car. And with that result, they went back to their investors. And the investors were reassured that this would be a great innovation. Now, do you want to be more innovative? Watch this movie here. How can I become innovative? If you like this movie, please do a thumbs up and subscribe here when you want to have more How to Innovate movies every Wednesday. Let's make a lot of innovation failures. I mean, a lot of innovation learnings, and stay safe.